On today's episode of Crappy RV, I explain why RVs are crappy. I'm just going to introduce myself. My name's David. I live on the road with my wife. We've been full-time RVers for about 5 years now, and we've lived in 3 different RVs. We've had more of our fair share of RV problems, and we've become, pretty fed up with the way that RVs are built, what it takes to get them repaired. We see a lot of fault with the RV industry, dealerships, service departments, customer service, just a lot of ridiculous things with campgrounds and RV life in general. We're here to share it all with you in hopes that, bring some change to the industry, or at least, make you laugh a little bit. Based on what we hear out there, many of you can relate to a lot of this crap. So, with that being said, don't take it too seriously. Enjoy the videos and good luck out there.